here you come in. I'm Ryan, and welcome to the EDMO Activity Lab. Did you know a fun fact about snowflakes? They are all unique. And today, we're going to use simple household items to create beautiful crystallized snowflakes for you to hang up around your home or outside your home. For this project, you're going to need boiling water, borax, which is a household cleaning agent, a tablespoon for measuring, a cup for measuring, some cotton twine, food coloring, which makes this project really fun, but it is optional, 3 white pipe cleaners, a pencil, a metal spoon, some scissors, and a wide-mouthed large mason jar. First, we're going to make our snowflake. So take those 3 white pipe cleaners that I showed you and cut about 3/4 off of the top of them. Snowflakes, though each one is unique, still have some common features. Each snowflake has 6 arms, or points, that radiate from the center. All snowflakes grow out from the center. So we're going to make our snowflake by winding each of those arms around the center to create the body, and arms that are a little bit smaller so they fit into our mason jar. So I'm going to wind the pipe cleaners until I've got a shape and size that I like. You can bend the pipe cleaners how you want them and snip off any extra length from our snowflake. So there you go, we have a 6-armed snowflake. Next, you're going to take your cotton twine and cut about 12 to 18 inches of string. You can estimate, it doesn't have to be exact. My twine. And what you're going to do is tie the twine towards the center of the snowflake, and this will allow you to pull the snowflake out of the solution. Now, borax is not dangerous, and you can put your hands in the jar because the project needs 5 hours to complete, so the water will have cooled, but it's just an easy way to get it out and to keep your fingers clean in case you're using food coloring. Now, when we add the borax, we want to stir in each tablespoon and drop in 1 tablespoon at a time. So again, it's 3 tablespoons for every cup. So I'm adding 6 total tablespoons of borax. If you're noticing that the borax is not dissolving, that's okay. If it looks cloudy, it will settle. And you actually want to see borax particles settling at the bottom of the jar. That means you're going to have plenty to make your snowflake. Once that's stirred in, you can drop your snowflake in if you want to create clear crystals. If you want to add some color, now is the time to do that. So I'll add blue, and you're going to need, for 2 cups in this size mason jar, about 20 to 24 drops of food coloring. So I added 20. I'm going to give that a little stir. I'm going to drop my snowflake into the jar. It's okay if it touches the bottom. It will crystallize to the bottom of the jar, but the crystals can easily break. In order to allow ease of pulling this out, I'm going to go ahead and tie it around my pencil and leave the pencil just on top of the jar like that. Now, this needs to sit for a minimum of 5 hours before it turns into these crystals. It's preferred to leave it overnight because then you can have a greater buildup of your crystals. So yesterday I made 4 different colors of snowflake and left them overnight. Let's see how they turned out. So one, I used red food coloring to create a really cool red looking snowflake. We did our blue that you saw. Plain white, beautiful looking snowflake, perfect for winter, and green, a cool green effect on our snowflake. project is super simple. It involves making a solution, creating crystals out of borax and water. You can make all kinds of beautiful, brilliantly colored snowflakes for your house or home to enjoy the winter holiday season. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have fun with your kids this holiday. Happy holidays from Camp EDMO.